Summer Infant Complete Nursery Care Kit, Pink White by Summer Infant is one of the best sellers among baby grooming and healthcare kits products. Medicine syringe and pacifier medicine dispenser help parents measure and easily administer the proper dosage to baby. Nasal aspirator relieves baby's nasal congestion. Forehead thermometer and digital thermometer for an easy, accurate temperature reading. Emergency information card for quick reference to doctor's number. Nail clippers and emery boards, 5, just the right size for tiny, newborn fingers. Medical syringe, remove the inner plunger and wash both halves in warm, soapy water. Air dry. Top rack dishwasher safe. Do not place in boiling water. The complete nursery care kit includes 21 grooming and healthcare items essential for any nursery. A durable storage case is included so parents can keep each item conveniently close at hand at home or on the go. By Summer Infant.